Hi guys, my name is Will and I work for Supreme Wraps and I'm a wrap installer. So I got a 94 Montero and it's also called Pajero in other markets besides North America. And I have fully wrapped it in a kind of blue. So this is the Mercedes G-Wagon color. Underneath it's green base, but then the paint was so faded, so I decided to wrap over it to make it look a lot nicer. And I have put some 7 inches off-road lights in the front onto the blue bar. So the size is perfectly matched. This is actually a JDM style light bracket, and I installed it aftermarket 7-inch headlight to it. And we can walk around the bumper. So I put some fog lights there, but then there are some cheap eBay stuff. It's a flush mounted fog light, but you know, it's a little faded. I also paracord wrap this bull bar, so to make it a little bit beefier, and in the pinch, this is 1,000 pound rated. I can pull people out. This is a SR trim, as it says right here. So it does have 2 lockers, front, middle, and rear. And I put some 33-inch tires on it on 17s with ASIN locking hub. So I can change it to free spin, or I can dial it all the way to locking hub. So I have a matching set of spare tires. It's also 33s, and I put some JDM style taillights on here because the US spec, it's 2 red in the middle and then the amber color on top, but I didn't like that, so I want a little separation, so I installed this one. I also put some decal here since this color would match the wrap color, and I redid this emblem. And I haven't done a lot to the interior, but in here there's the actuator for the rear locker. This one is air controlled, so it does have an air compressor inside the car to lock the rear locker. And since I like it a little bit more old school, I put a little round fan there. Since this is a factory Mercedes color, China blue, I kind of want to mimic a little bit of a G-Wagon look, so I wrapped it inside the headlight bracket. If from far away, maybe like 30 feet away, it looked like a G-Wagon coming towards you. And also, the G-Wagon has this little thing on it, and also it has a handlebar inside. I call it a J-Wagon. This is a Japanese car versus a German car. And I got this thing for $500. The engine wasn't working, nothing running. Once I got it home, I spent probably more time wrapping and fixing this car up than I have time to drive it. So it's actually a piece of work. But yeah, this is my 94 Montero.